Who knew that a flower pot could be more than a flower pot? Not only can it grow your vegetables, it can cook them too. Today we are going to make a DIY project, a small stove that is even good for camping. Salam, Sat Sri Akal, Namaste friends. I'm Atma. Welcome to Udta Rasoiya. Here you see much more than just recipes. Let's get started after this short intro. If you're looking for inspiration and self confidence in life, look closely at this flower pot. It believed in itself and transformed itself into a chef because it had faith and determination to achieve something. Alright, I won't bore you anymore. Take the right size flower pot. I'm using a small one. You can make use of a bigger flower pot if you want. I'm using a small flower pot because I need it for motorcycle camping. It fits right into my motorcycle trunk. This is a very simple DIY project. We'll make a few holes at the side bottom, and if your flower pot already has a hole at the bottom, you can put a metal lid or a piece of metal to cover that. Otherwise the ash can damage the floor underneath. For making these holes, you'll need a 3/4 inch porcelain or a ceramic drill bit. It helps to wet the pot before drilling. Make these holes a little bit above the bottom so there is space for the ash at the bottom. We are making 4 such holes. We'll make these ash grates using clay saucers that are usually kept under the pot. When any object is heated, it expands, and an iron grate expands more than a clay grate. Now, because this grate will be placed inside the flower pot, it can break the flower pot when heated. That is why we are using a clay grate instead of an iron grate. Alright, let's assemble the stove now. Let's put the metal plate at the bottom to cover the hole. Then let's place the clay grate. Let's make this small contraption using spring holder clips to act as a cooking grate holder. And our flower pot stove is now ready. Thank you for watching.